If you're making AI videos, you already know the biggest issue isn't the visuals, it's the motion. You can type camera moves forward, but that doesn't mean you'll get a clean dolly, a zoom, or anything cinematic. The difference comes down to using the right camera movement prompts. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 camera movement prompts that consistently improve AI videos. Let's go! The first key prompt is the Cosmic Hyperzoom camera movement. This is very helpful in creating a good opening scene and establishing an environment. I used Kling 01 model to create this scene and only used one image, which was the street view. Whenever you want to use this effect, my advice is to focus on the end frame, which is the last result. Using a start frame can create weird problems, as you can see from my experience. You are better off trying to define the effect you want. Next is the slow dolly in camera movement. This is a helpful camera effect when trying to introduce or establish a character in a scene. Notice how smooth the camera approaches and then slightly rises to give a better view. I used 2 images for this video. The third prompt is the worm's eye view, long angle tracking shot. This camera allows you to track someone's feet as they walk. It creates a mystery effect when the character has not been introduced. I only used one image for this scene because its purpose was to create mystery and movement. The fourth prompt is a tilt up. Starting low and revealing the subject upward adds a sense of presence and intention. It works especially well for character introductions because it lets the viewer discover the subject gradually instead of showing everything at once. 2 images were used for this scene. The fifth prompt is a POV walk. By placing the camera in first person, the scene instantly feels immersive. Even simple forward movement becomes engaging because the viewer feels like they're inside the environment, not just watching it. This can also be effective in scary videos since the viewer is experiencing the scene from a first-person perspective.